Welcome to our last video. In this video I'm going to present to you with our newest preset. It's the fatty tissue preset. So for that I have a hand model on my tray that consists of a lot of different parts. So we're going to talk about each and every one of them briefly. So let's get started by disassembling our model and look at all the parts. We can see that we have the bone, the ligaments, the vessels, the nerves, the muscles, and the fatty tissue part, which is the outer part of the hand. So let's start from the inside. We have here the bone parts, which consists of the musculoskeletal family, the general bone element, and the density that we have 3 of them. I chose the porous one. This preset consists of a Vero pure white and bone matrix in a Perlin structure. We have the muscles here and here that we chose from the Structural Heart Family, the Myocardium element. We don't have a preset for muscles, but the Myocardium element consists of the Tissue Matrix and Agilus in a Gyroid structure, so it's flexible and soft as a muscle. For this we have 5 different stiffnesses, and I chose the Highly Contractile. We have the blood vessels that we saw in a previous video. So we are going to the blood vessel family, we're choosing the vessel wall element, and we have 6 different compliances. I chose the moderately compliant. For the ligaments, we have in the musculoskeletal family an element called the ligaments, and we have 3 different stiffnesses. So for this one I chose the soft one. It consists of a mixture of Vero and Agilus. Over here we have the nerves, which is also an element that we have. We choose the musculoskeletal family, and we chose the element nerves, and we have 3 different stiffnesses. I chose the soft one. This one is as well a mixture of Vero and Agilus. And for the whole hand part, we have in the general anatomy family the subcutaneous fat, and we have 6 different stiffnesses. I chose the soft-coated, highly contractile fat. This preset consists of a mixture of gel matrix and tissue matrix, and it has a coating of Agilus to keep it stable. So now we can reassemble our model, and that's it.